The 13-in-1 all-in-one trimmer allows you to trim and style your face, hair, and body at home with maximum precision. This all-in-one hair trimmer features advanced dual-cut technology for maximum precision. It comes with double blades, and is designed to stay as sharp as day one. Create clean, straight lines, and evenly trim through the thickest hair thanks to the body and beard trimmer's precise steel blades. These non-corrosive blades won't rust, and they self-sharpen to last longer. Shave comfortably below the neck, with our unique skin protector system that guards even your most sensitive body areas, and lets you shave to a closeness of 0 mm. All your hair trimming needs at home. Advanced styling and precision 13-in-1 trimmer for maximum versatility. Craft your own personal look with this versatile trimmer, which includes 13 quality tools for styling your face, hair, and body. Its self-sharpening metal blades offer a perfect trim, and the no-slip rubber grip improves comfort and control. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button right now. It has 5 minutes of quick charge option for faster usage with power adapt feature. Charging time is 1 hour for 2 hours backup. "5 minutes quick charge can easily go for 1 trim cycle. No, you cannot use trimmer during charging. It has quick charge feature that will let you use it for more than 30 minutes, even if you charge it for 10 minutes it can be used for normal close trim but in the range of 0 mm. It does have a plastic body, and hence lightweight, yet has a sturdy feel in the hand. It can be used to trim hair on the head as well as on the body. Country of origin of this product is made in Indonesia, or designed in Netherlands. There is a nose and ear hair trimmer. It is the small, radial trimmer, that works only for nose and ear. About 70 minutes you need charge the first time. The paper that came with it said I can extend the warranty to 2.5 years by registering on their website. This model used for underarms. There are 2 body combs, 3 mm and 5 mm. It is not titanium, it is stainless steel blade on 7715. T can't run directly on AC power, though its battery is good. On a single charge it will run continuously for 2 hours, which is like 8-10 times of use. It will normally take an hour to charge fully. Among so many accessories, there is one with which you can shave your genital hair. The high-performance lithium-ion battery delivers up to 120 minutes of runtime for every 1 hour full charge. 8.5 minute quick charge delivers 1 full trim. Well, you would receive the package in fairly bad condition, the box, but everything inside is always perfect, and you'll know automatically when you pick the trimmer. It's built very good. This trimmer fully washable. It's safe for kids' hair as well. But just be extra careful as you would be using any product on any kid. I have provided the purchase link in the description below. Please do make a purchase from that link and support this channel. Infants, I'm not sure as their skin will be too sensitive. Enhance your look with advanced styling and precision. Philips Multi-Grooming Kit MG7715. Or in half offers maximum versatility with 11 quality attachments for styling your face, head, and body hair. It features a dual-cut technology with double-sharpened steel blades that offer the perfect trim. This trimmer is enhanced with 1/2 minutes fast charging for quicker and faster usage. It also has a power adapt sensor that measures the density of the beard at 125 times, or second to trim, and shave effortlessly. All-in-one trimmer for men that offers head-to-toe grooming with 11 quality attachments. Features a dual-cut technology with double-sharpened steel blades trims, and styles the hair on your face and body with precision. Has a power adapt sensor that adapts to your hair density up to 120 minutes runtime after per charge, offers 1/2 minutes quick charge for one trim. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.